The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jensen Beach Emergency Management. At approximately 11:28 a.m. local time, a nuclear power plant has begun to malfunction due to an error with the reactor's cooling system, and it is confirmed that it will explode within the next 15 minutes. When the nuclear power plant explodes, so much radiation and pollution will destroy the city's ecosystem, and it will negatively impact the environment, causing the city to become uninhabitable due to mass radioactive waste. All residents within a 25-mile radius of the blast are advised to evacuate the city of Jensen Beach immediately. Pack up all essential supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, your mobile device, and a battery-powered radio with you. Do not pick up children or any family members, as they have their own evacuation procedures planned. If you don't evacuate, you are putting yourself and others in serious danger, possibly certain death. A quarantine will be put into effect to prevent the spread of radiation going around the state of Florida, meaning that Jensen Beach will officially close for a period of time. Stay tuned for more information and details regarding this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service along with the Tampa Bay Emergency Management. Due to the Jensen Beach incident that occurred earlier this year, there have been terrifying reports of people seeing a grayish green cloud hovering over the sky and covering up the southern half of Florida. It is believed that this grayish green cloud contains a chemical called hydrochloric acid, which is dangerous to humans and animals. There were many witnesses of buildings and homes and other man-made structures getting destroyed by this rain, and that people had been getting blistering burns on their skin due to the rain touching them, causing many casualties and slash or injuries. It is confirmed that this acid rain was caused by the radioactive waste material from Jensen Beach was emitted into the air, and that it caused some clouds to change color and form acid into the raindrops. Plant life and agricultural production has become scarce due to this situation ongoing. As of this time, all residents in the Tampa Bay area are advised to seek an underground shelter like a basement. If you don't have an underground shelter, then go to a room with no windows and one door. Make sure to wear protective clothing to prevent the acid rain from touching you. Once this acid rain ends, there would be little chance of recovery due to the mass amounts of acid chemicals on the ground, making it difficult to develop the territory. Stay tuned for more information and details about this dangerous situation.